Michelle with Pink and Maine, and it's the first of the month. So it's time to share our new subscription products for April 2023. I'll start with our stamp of the month. If you subscribe to our stamp of the month or the stamp and die of the month, you'll be charged each month on the 10th, and shortly thereafter, you'll receive your stamp or stamp and die. The subscription goes on until you skip a month or cancel completely. For the stamp of the month, it's just $12, and that's free shipping within the US. For the stamp and die of the month, it's only $24, and you get the 4x6 stamp set along with the coordinating dies. $24 shipped for free within the US. This month, the stamp of the month is called The Buzz, and we've got some of the most adorable little bugs here. I've added our Stardust chunky glitter to some of their wings, and I love that sparkle and shine that it has. So along with the bugs, we've got some adorable sentiments to go with it. Flying by to say, what's the buzz? So happy for you. Sorry you caught a bug. Happy birthday, bugs and kisses. Now let's take a look at the monthly subscription kit. As always, you get your nice zippered mesh project bag, and check this out. The postcard just got gigantic. So there's a reason for that, and I'll show you in a second. The Crafty Courtyard kit this month is called Cloudy Day. If you subscribe to the monthly subscription kit, on the 15th of each month, you're going to be charged for the kit and receive it shortly thereafter. We do charge shipping based on where you are located. So you'll see a base price of the kit is $34.99, and then the shipping is added based on where you live. So this tells you everything that's in the bag. It shows you the color palette, talks about our Facebook group where you can share your creations with the kit and see others. But here is the reason that the postcard is so big, and I hope you're as excited about this as I am. I'm now including some card sketches in with the kit on this sheet of paper. So I have 4 card samples with this one. And they're all things that you can reproduce and do on your own, mix and match, move them around. They just kind of give you that starting point if you need a little help with creating cards with the kit. I think that's super exciting. And this alone just adds a huge value to the kit to give you some ideas. Of course, we have a gorgeous sequin mix. These are the confetti sequins, so they don't have a hole, and they are super iridescent and shiny, and they match the colors in the kit just perfectly. We also have glitter enamel dots in the colors of the kit. They are super sparkly. I love adding those as a nice finishing touch to your projects. Our paper pad is called Cloudy Day, just like the theme of the kit. And it goes everything from like a cloudy, stormy day to super bright sunshine. So I think that's fun. So we'll go through some of the patterns. We have this orange and yellow ombre. It looks like glitter paper. We've got some linen, some little, looks like bokeh lights there. That's some beautiful like watercolor looking backgrounds. They're just really pretty. Lots of different backgrounds this time. I want to just play around with different textures and patterns. Look at that, all within the paper pad. We have these ombre sheets with the colors in the kit. You're going to be making some really pretty cards with all these papers. You don't have to pull all the watercolors out. We've done that for you. Look at the little stars on the blue background. There we have like a sunburst, but it's done on like a craft paper. Almost looks like cardboard with all the flecks and specks in it. Looks like linen on that side. Oh, look at that. These are really fun. We've got more that look like glitter. This time it's purple to teal ombre. These are really pretty. And some more linen look. That gives a nice subtle background. I really like those. And then we're back to the beginning. So there's 24 different patterns, 24 sheets, but they're double-sided, so you get 2 of each pattern. We've got a new 6x6 embossing folder for you. Look at the clouds on that one. This one's fun. This is going to create some great backgrounds with clouds. And here's our 6x6 stamp set. Look at the dream catcher, the moon, the stars, the clouds. You have a little rainbow with stars down here. It's a really dreamy set, I would say. So we've got some sentiments. You are a shooting star. If you have no fear, your dreams are too small. Reach for the stars. I love you to the moon and back. Dream big. Our friendship is what dreams are made of. May all your dreams come true. Since we cannot be together, I hope each night to see you in my dreams. Some great sentiments along with that set. You get the coordinating dies along with the stamp set, and I've added some extra dies down here. These 2 at the bottom are border dies, and they're going to cut like a cloudy or bumpy border. So you could cut the top of your page with like a cloudy border. Super fun. Well, we also have a large stencil for you again. And this one has all kinds of clouds, and it has different cloudy borders around the edge. You can use your inks and blend and get different kinds of cloudy borders. Oh, I love this and can't wait to create with this kit. Last but not least, let's take a look at the cardstock. You get your 2 ice rink white cardstock pieces. We've got gray, lavender, turquoise, light blue, yellow, and orange. So as I mentioned, they go all the way from a sunny day to a cloudy day and everything in between. Just some really fun color palette this month. Thanks again for joining me today to take a closer look at our April 2023 new subscription products. You can head on over to pinkandmane.com to find out more details. It's a perfect month to subscribe, so go ahead and subscribe. And until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.